Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Grill Masters. I'm John, this is Karl, and today we're going to do hotel pan pizza.
You could use a Dutch oven or you can cook in your house, but why not play around and have some fun and experiment a little bit? So, been trying to come up with some other ways to cook pizza out in the great outdoors. Came up with this idea.
Inexpensive, off-the-shelf parts, camp cooking, gadgetry at its finest.
Right. So we got a shallow or normal depth chafing pan, stainless steel, important because it's extra strong for the heat. And then the bottom is the extra deep. What's that? 7 inches deep. What do they call
Basically
that?
what you see in a chafing pan, right?
Right.
So it's the part that you put the water in, and then this is the insert that sits on top.
This is the deeper one that you
Little
use.
deeper.
Yeah, a little deeper than
Okay.
even the one that you put the water. Got them back to back, drilled holes through them. Got them put together with quarter 20, 1-inch screws or half-inch screws actually with wing nuts and washers just to hold it together.
Okay.
So the sides are going to make it so you can lift it up. And then we've got a grate that came out of an old gas grill on top of 4 number 10 cans upside down just to act as legs.
Been burned out forever,
Been
just
burnt.
standoffs.
And John, you shoveled some coals underneath.
Yeah, and this fire is pretty hot actually. I'm in my t-shirt because I was tending the fire. So it's a early March day, beautiful day though. And we thought, oh, let's give it a shot. So
So we got heat on the top and that upper pan. The rims keep
coals
the,
underneath.
and we're using pizza screens. I think we got, those look to be about 10-inch diameter pizza screens. We did 8 a little while ago when we were testing this out. We're going to see if the
And this
10
isn't
feet-
exactly like pizza artistry episode.
No.
This is just we'll show you that you can cook it in this. Have fun, get out there, try different things. So, want to throw them out?
I'll throw them out. John, if you can lift that up.
Oh, that's hot. Yeah. It's pretty hot. So, I mean, there's no thermometer in here. This is just, we're going to watch it until they're done. We did a couple testers before, and I was able to kind of smell them. We checked them, and they were pretty much right on. So use your nose.
Yeah. And the key thing will be here is just playing around with the heat on the top versus the bottom. You know, is the bottom, do they cook evenly?
Getting a feel for it. And cheese pizza is super cheap. Just do a couple crusts by themselves if you want, just to, make your dog happy.
And we got a little bit of wind, so that's affecting. So you just got to keep those things into consideration.
All right, so we're gonna fart around with this a little bit, and when they look good, we'll pull them off, and we'll show you guys what they look like.
So we're at about 12 minutes. We've checked it a couple times. We add a little extra heat. Part of the challenge too is we've added coals on here before, so we're kind of creating a insulation blanket on the top. So you may want to dump out your coals in between to keep the heat right against the metal.
It's a little windy today, so we didn't want to risk getting ash on our pizza, so we just figured we'd worst case and see how that goes.
So we're at about, like I said, around 12 minutes. We'll see what it looks like. They were looking good about a minute ago. The outer crust, we'll see if it's a little doughy, but the bottom was looking like it was starting to brown up nicely, and we could smell it.
And the tops, the
Upwind.
cheese is looking really nice and melty.
We'll put that off to the side. Got a little peel here, and let's just, you can see that got a little burnt from the time that we were setting up for the shot. But that one's good. That one's got a nice crust to it.
So we'll let these cool off a little bit. We'll come back and give them
Yeah.
a taste. And I think, so far this is looking pretty
Yeah,
promising.
just play with it, work with it, get the heat going right, and you'll be fine.
All right, I don't know if this is the moment of truth, but I'm excited about it.
Yeah, this was about the technique, not about the pizza recipe.
That crust,
Yeah,
cheers. That crust doesn't look bad. I mean, it's got a little char on it. I mean,
And what I was worried about was the crust. I got a wider piece here. It's cooked all the way through. We were worried it would be a little doughy.
it's not. It's char. It's not burn. I mean, it's not thick. So cheese is melted nice.
Wow,
Just crispy.
that's good for a couple chafing pans over a fire.
I mean, cheese is melted just right. You know, maybe we can work on it, get a little more bubbly or something. No toppings again. Yeah, this was just to demonstrate the power of a couple pans and the will to eat pizza. Well, we hope you like what you saw here. If you do anything crazy like this, let us know in the comments. Get out there and cook.